Welcome to NSL East County Tower 2, where progress meets precision. Our basements are fully completed, with car park markings and signage works currently in progress to ensure organized parking for future residents. The entire podium area surrounding the tower is fully complete. Now, the focus shifts to landscaping, outdoor amenities, and driveway works, adding the final touches to this beautiful space. The tower itself is structurally ready, and we're currently in the finishing stages. Inside, the flooring works are fully completed, creating polished interiors. External painting is underway, with the first coat complete. The final coat is expected to bring a vibrant finish by the end of January 2025. The Clubhouse 2 structure is now ready, with internal and external works progressing steadily. Residents can look forward to enjoying the new clubhouse by April 2025. Meanwhile, Clubhouse 1 is fully operational, and residents are already savoring its amenities. Internal painting works are progressing rapidly. With railing installations completed on all floors, we anticipate the final finishes to be completed by January 2025. The window works are ongoing and on track for completion by the end of January 2025. Our swimming pool is another highlight of the property. Work is in full swing. Inside the tower, the air-conditioned entrance lobby is taking shape, promising a grand entrance for all. At the front, the tower entrance porch works are in progress, completing the exterior's elegant look. Down in the basement, the STP and WTP systems are fully operational, while solar panel installations and garbage chute works are in progress. NSL East County, crafting your dream living spaces, where every detail counts.